Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm just going to dive into Matic once again for 15 February and join me into the Discord. Now today I was actually making one comment that there's a potential bull cross about to come on Bitcoin. If that happens, we're riding until $52,000, and that also means that it's going to be a bullish momentum for Matic as well. Bitcoin flips, this is going to flip, simple put. Yes, its chart is irrational and illogical in front of Bitcoin because, once again, I always say this, when you watch the video of Matic, watch the Bitcoin update and join the Discord, because that's where you're going to be getting this text all of a sudden that if Bitcoin gets bullish, you might reconsider the potential of Matic to go to the upside direction as well. So here we are, and now what you're doing is, again, you're going back into this ascending triangle, which actually is pretty, it seems like it was a fake out. You went down and now you're coming above it once again. So the question remains, can you go up, tackle the 55, the 10 and the 20, make a bullish cross, and then you continue to the upside? That's something that would be interesting to see for Matic once again, because simple, I'm actually going to show you what I said by Bitcoin and the bullish cross that is about to happen. So let me bring in the EMAs right now. The EMAs, just look, if I try to zoom in here, you do have these EMAs trying to cross one another. So you have the 55, the 10 and the 20. Do you see that? The 55, the 10 and 20, they're about to cross one another. And if they do cross, if it does get bullish and you start to continue to pick to the upside, that actually means that Matic is also going to be following the footprints of Bitcoin as well. You're not going to go down, instead you're going to go up. Now, it always comes down to Bitcoin. Do you remember even when I said up here that this is a bullish pattern, ascending triangle, but because of Bitcoin, you're going to go down? Now, the same thing applies for the downtrend. This was a bearish pattern that was forming, but because of Bitcoin bullishness, you're going to go to the upside. So basically, trading Matic is incomplete without trading Bitcoin, and that's the only piece to the puzzle right now. So if this is actually confusing, don't get confused. It's not a big deal. Just learn along the way. If you're new and you don't know, now you know what to do the next time in the future as well. So what I see is you do have this level of resistances at the Fibonacci retracements as well. At this point of time, all you did is go to the 0.382, and that's where you're finding a little bit of resistance, and then the 0.236. What you want to see still for Matic once again is you go to the 0.618 and hold the $2.1. This is where it's going to be interesting. Last time it did this was a fake out. Even though it came for the retest, and then what happened? Bitcoin happened, and then Matic happened. Right now, again, it's Bitcoin what's happening. So it's kind of a frustrating market, I know, but it is what it is. You just flip when Bitcoin flips with it. And from here, you just go up, hold the 0.618, and that's what I want to see for me to actually tell you we might be moving to the $4.8 in the next coming future as well, right? So we're still under the EMAs. We're not really into the, what do you call this? We're not in an uptrend, a little bit technically in a downtrend, but there is a positive progress, lower, higher low, a higher low, and a higher low. So on a very, very small time frame, you're just slowly but surely actually reversing to the upside, and that's good. How about this? Flip bearish when you lose $1.3. Maybe that might help. If you go to $1.3, and that's it, kiss Matic goodbye. You're gonna go down to the 0.975 as well. It all comes down to Bitcoin, and be careful. This downtrend, the down target is still in play. It hasn't been invalidated, but the point of invalidation still remains the same. Just as previously you went up here and you didn't pass the test, this time you have to really pass the test at the 2.1, and then that's it. You continue, you take off completely. And that's it for today's Matic video update. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.